Alright guys, we're back, and now we're going to take care of this next bit. Now make sure you put the screws through on this side first, and then attach this, because if you do it the other way around, when you want to put the servo in there, it won't be able to go in if these are pointed the other way. With the wrench, with the nut in the incorrect direction, it'll stop the servo from being able to go in there, so you don't want to do that. Alright, put this in like that, and then there's another 4 that go in there, so you get the idea. Alright, so done. And if you wanted to make the robot lighter, you could probably get away with only putting 2 screws in some of these things, but I'm just going to try to build it as well as possible and make it as strong as possible, and then we'll see if the servos and the motors are strong enough to run the machine with the excessive weight. If it turns out to be too heavy, I will have to remove some screws, but we won't know until this thing is running, so we'll just go with what we can do so far. And again, this is always harder to do when you're trying to do it on camera. It's come on. Alright. Done. And then servo is the usual stuff that you have to do with a servo, which means it goes in this way. And you need your usual 4 screws here. Although the problem with this is it's been designed so that you can't really access that one over there. So on this particular one, I use the longer screw to get it in there, and I don't use 4 screws, I only use 3, because it just takes too long to fiddle around to try to get that last one in place, and it's just too much of a hassle, so I kind of gave up on doing that. Anyway, I will put these screws in there, bind this together, and we'll get on to the next video. See you in a bit.